Go, go, Power Rangers. See if you can get another one. That's it, mark your territory. The ants got him. Yes, you let the birds eat the fucking bananas. Bum! First hole in the ground. The last few holes for the poles for the holes. This is how you dig a hole. First the koevoet. You loosen it up. Nice soil. And then you take the spade. Going where?
Going deep.
Poles in the holes.
Huh?
So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 poles in the holes. Well, they are getting more now.
No.
That's not dog food.
You want to put the whole bread in there. It's stuck on the neck now.
So, poles in the holes. We're busy breaking down the old coop. These are the 5 Brahmas we have left. Beautiful. And we're getting 50 more high lines. This is the roof sheets. And this is the poles where the new coop is going to be. Yeah, kitty. We're making more eggs for you to eat. We're making more eggs for you to eat. So, today, day 2 of coop building, finally. Jeez, this place. Anyway, here we go. We're closing up this coop now. The roof sheets. This is the new ladies. This is the new ladies. They're a bit shy. They don't know yet I'm bringing the food. So they're running around. Oh, it's looking good. Huh? It's looking nice, my girl. Huh?